Welcome back to the channel. We are working on 2018 Jeep Compass rear brake pads and rotors. What we have here is actually the electronic emergency brake. What I'm doing here is I'm gonna just tap off of those pins with a little alligator clip, and that's my little tip and trick to y'all of what I do, so I don't gotta even take off the motor off of the caliper. So we start here first by find the pin. Bam. I'm going blind here, by the way. I can't see inside. I'm using my phone, but I'm just sticking the clip in there, the alligator clip. Once you got those pins or alligator clips connected to those tabs or pins, you're gonna take your battery. For instance, mine is a Milwaukee, that right there. And then I actually use cotter pins. So I cut the cotter pin in half, and then I just stick those cotter pins inside of the battery slots where you'll see inside the battery positive and negative. And what I'm simply doing is I'm gonna tap the battery to that, and then you're basically going to be listening to the sound it makes. It actually goes both directions. You have to really pay attention to the sound. If it goes zzz and it makes that high-pitched sound, that means that it's locking the caliper, and you don't want that. You actually want to retract the motor, so you're going to hear it go zzz, kind of similar to that sound. I know it's weird. I made a weird sound, but that's what it sounds like. Once that piston there, you see, once the piston slides in, I'm able to actually compress the piston in. Once the motor pushes reverse, which is going back into itself, I'm able to push the piston inside of the caliper. So that's the way I do it. And then you just remove your connectors, your alligator clips. Give myself a thumbs up for that. You never ever have to remove the motor. Now if you want to put it in the safety mode, you got a snap-on scanner, you can do that as well. All right, enjoy the video. Let's get it. On the spot or something, you know? All right. We made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you guys use this trick. Try it out. Be careful. Do not overextend the motor in the caliper. All right, I'm out. I'm your boy AD. Peace.